Probably the stargazing we did last night. We had clear skies, so we went to a nearby valley with the rest of the regional team. We laid on the ground and we had the best time and saw so many stars. It was wonderful. I really appreciate it.
Well, actually, yes, because before coming here, I used to think of different cultures, different countries, different languages as these people who I can't relate to. But once you're here, stargazing, talking about the same stuff, doing the same activities together, it shows that we're pretty much the same, everyone.
Hey guys, what's up? We're here at Astro Camp and we just observed Saturn. It's such an amazing experience.
Did you know that red light is used when looking through a telescope? It's because the red light wavelengths don't affect our night vision, which is very important when observing through a telescope.
Hey guys, I'm Iana. We're here at the Astro Camp and right now we're observing the moon and we're having so much fun.
Hello, I'm Elona from Albania, and for sure that I think that these kind of projects help a lot on peace building because we are here for the same purpose, but as well we are here creating friendships from across the board. Thank you.
So before I signed up for this project, I wasn't very confident because I don't have any prior knowledge in astronomy. So I wasn't sure if I was going to do this well. But now I see that that wasn't necessary, and in fact I've learned a lot through all the lectures and listening to all the professors. So it definitely lit a spark, and now I have way more motivation, so I will take that motivation home and I will explore more about astronomy like through the observatories and associations in my own hometown.
Hello, I'm Maria Mia from Montenegro. Throughout this camp, I had an opportunity to meet like-minded people and experts to help me deepen my interest in science and especially astronomy throughout meaningful conversations and exploring the secrets of the universe.
Hello, my name is Maria from North Macedonia, and my message to campers is, other than bringing warm clothes, please bring a positive attitude. Amazing collaboration can happen in closed rooms and open skies.